Hello everybody, it's Human Ignition, and let's go back to Lingo Deer. My video cut out, so I'm going to have to redo this video again. So, let's go back to alphabet, and let's go back to lesson 6.
Ha,
Ha,
hi,
hi,
ha, hu,
fu,
he,
he. Okay, so he is the same thing.
hi,
Hi,
hu,
fu,
hi, hu, he, hi, ha, ho,
ho,
he,
he.
ho,
Shoot,
he, hi, ha, hu, he, he, ha, ho, hi, ho,
oh yeah, fu. Fu is different. Fu,
hu, ho, ha, hi,
one more. Okay, so,
hi, he, hu, ho.
there we go, we got it. That's just a commercial.
Ma,
So next we'll be, next we'll be doing lesson 7 in the next video. So now we're going to go to lesson 1.
学生、
That's a student. This is office
会
worker.
社員、日
Japanese
本人、先生、
teacher. Sensei is probably Sensei, Konnichiwa, Kawaii are probably the most known words from Japanese for English people. But
学
we're
生、
looking for students, so it's gakusei. Gakusei. Watashi wa gakusei desu.
私は学生です。
Gakusei desu. Teacher.
先生、
Sensei. Watashi wa sensei de wa arimasen.
私は先生ではありません。学生、
Gakusei. So, student. Watashi wa gakusei desu. Wait, that's teacher, that's sensei. Gakusei desu is this.
会社員、
Kaishain. Watashi wa kaishain desu.
先生、
Sensei. So, we're looking for this one. Watashi wa sensei de wa arimasen.
私は先生ではありません。会社員、
Kaishain. So, this is
学
student,
生、
office
会社
worker,
員、
teacher.
先生、
Watashi wa 会社員ですではありません。
学生、先生、先生。私は先生ではありません。
So it's saying we're not a teacher, so we're a student. I am an office worker, so it would not be this because this is the first one is saying that we are a student. This one is saying we are British, and this one is what we're looking for, office worker.
私は学生です。私は学生です。私は会社員ではありません。
So,
私は会社員ではありません。私は会社員ではありません。私は学生です。
Okay, this is the hardest part. So,
私は学生です。私は先生ではありません。
okay,
私は先生私は先生ではありません。
to
はで私は先生ではありません。ではりません。私は先生ではありません。
Okay, we finished that lesson. Hopefully I record the correct lesson and I won't have to record this again. But thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun. And I hope you found this educational. As the next, we should be going on to lesson... Yeah, I think I recorded the right one. We should be going on to lesson 2. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and good luck. Bye!